Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shaina Rene, and we are here in Mexico, Todos Santos to be exact, at the Paradero hotels, and we're about to give you a quick room tour. So it's so nice out here. First of all, give them a little spin of the background. They gotta get into the scenery. It's amazing. So yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe for the vibes. If you like videos like this, if you like travel content, all the above, stay tuned because this room is amazing. So let's get straight to it. So this is room number 27. I believe this resort has about 40 rooms. It's super intimate, really beautiful, all the vibes. Of course, you have the little key area where you just put your key, but the door's already unlocked. So we're just gonna head straight inside. So once you get inside, it does get a little dark, but the light is coming. So we're just gonna head straight up the staircase, show them the staircase, and head up to the next floor. All right, I'm gonna stop right here because I don't think you guys are ready for what's to come. Because when I tell you the vibes are top tier, let's see. Look at this view, though. I don't even know if y'all can see me. Is the lighting good? It's good? Okay. So look at this amazing view. We have a nice garden view that overlooks the garden. But yeah, we have a little chill area right here. As you guys can see, there's two little pillows, like if you want to just sit out and relax and catch a vibe. If you don't want to be in the room, chill right here. Like I said, the weather is amazing. So right here, this door lets you into the bathroom. So slide the door open, just like this, super easy. And you're in the bathroom. All right, guys, now we're in the bathroom. We have this beautiful rain shower. So nice. I love the black aesthetics they got going on. Like, you know, a lot of bathrooms have like silver finishes, but the black just makes it look even more better. So obviously, you can turn on that water. Put a drop from the top. And rain showers are honestly the best to have in hotels. Like, it just gives you the vibe like you're sitting in rain. Then, of course, we have the lovely sink area that has a lovely mirror right here. We have some hand soap, body lotion, sink, of course. We have a basket with towels that the room provides you with, and they change it on the daily. Of course, another basket here with little, you know, towels to shower with, dry your face, whatever. And I guess these are just little cups to hold with your toothbrush. Of course, you have a toilet. Of course, every hotel needs one. I'm gonna close this back. And then we're gonna head to the other side where the vibes really are, where the magic happens, whatever you wanna call it. This is the bedroom. All right, guys, we are in the bedroom, and I just had to sit over here because this little area, this nook here, you can really just lay out and really relax. It's so comfortable, and you still have like a nice view of the garden right here. I don't know if you guys could see, but it's super pretty. You could unlock the window and just let some air in. Just really book, catch a vibe, It feels amazing right here, actually. So yeah, you could also open this part if you really want to get all the vibes, but I don't know if you like bugs like that. I'll keep the shades closed. But yeah, this is a little nook area, like I said, just to relax if you don't feel like being on the bed. Now, when you get up here, they give these cute hats, which I love. They're so cute. They can't fit my head though, because I have like a really big head. But this is like a gift from the hotel. They give you a hat, which is really nice. You get some complimentary water, stuff like that. And then you can hook your clothes up here on the hangers, whatever you need to hang. And of course, the vibe wouldn't be right without this. You know, every hotel isn't complete without the robes. Like the robes set the vibe, for sure. So that's right here. And of course, right here to my right is the beautiful bed. This is a beautiful king size bed, super comfortable, so nice, freshly made, and it's just a vibe. Like, look at the bed, look at me. Yes. Then of course we have a lovely river right here. Once again, a hotel would not be complete without the river. Catching all the vibes, outfit of the day, whatever vibes you want to give, you have the river. Then of course we have like the blinds right here. Ooh, it's heavy. I can't do it, but y'all get the point. We have the blinds in case you want to close this area and then not have the sun coming in. You could definitely close it as well. And then last but not least, this is a retreat hotel. They of course had to prep you guys with some lovely yoga mats. So this hotel has like a bunch of activities that you could do on a daily basis, and yoga being one of them, they provide us with the yoga mats. So yes, let's continue out into this direction because the vibes are not done yet. Let's go upstairs. So this is our second set of stairs. That's gonna take us to the rooftop area. I don't think you guys are ready for this. Okay, we have arrived to the rooftop, and all I can say is wow. Like, Paradero really thought out every little detail when creating this hotel, because for a person like me that loves aesthetics, this is the place to be. Like, you can take a picture anywhere on this entire resort, as you can see in the background. It has this amazing view. 10 out of 10 with the vibes. So yeah, you just want to chill out here at night. You can just lay out, catch a tan, catch a vibe, all that good stuff. And at night, it also has lights. I think the lights are like right here. You just turn on the lights to catch a nice little vibe throughout the night. And this is my favorite area in the entire part of the room. Look at this net, this huge hammock. Like, are you kidding me? I'm gonna get on there and show you guys how great the vibe is. Oh my god. Now this is how you relax. The vibe is 10 out of 10. Get into the view. The wind is blowing. It's amazing. So yeah, you can really just chill out here. Once again, catch a tan, read a book. You can really sleep out here, honestly. It's super comfortable. You got pillows. You can take the blanket from like the bed underneath and really just vibe out. So this is full room tour. I hope you guys enjoy. Make sure you guys book your next trip to Todos Santos. I stay at the Paradero hotels. It's amazing. So what do you guys think? Comment below what you rate this place, and if you would stay here, let me know in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.